Yeah.
We can see it.
Yep, there. Rotation.
I've never seen nothing like that before. That's awesome.
I know. I've only seen one when I was a kid.
I'm gonna shut the garage, but I'll leave the side door open.
All right. I'll stay here. Are you shutting the garage?
Yeah. Not that it'll do much good.
Might protect from flying. It said it was on the ground coming this way. Where's the side door?
It's over there.
Oh.
Side garage.
It's kind of cool.
It's a rotating wall cloud right there.
Yeah, it is.
You don't see these every day. That's why I'm taping. Where's it gonna go?
Well, it's moving this way, and the news is saying that it's
Greenwood.
Greenwood. Officially freaked out all the children, I think. They're freaked out.
Some guy just came by and goes, guys, it's coming right. We just outran it.
Yeah, I know. That's when I went out there and I told him that.
Pretty cool. It's so calm right now. It's weird.
Yeah, it's the problem.
It's the problem. As soon as they're yeah, don't take long.
This is what's almost as cute right next to here.
Don't stay out here too long, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, please. And I'm gonna go downstairs.
Listen, your kids would be less scared if you ran down.
Yeah, I could have kind of.
You know what I mean? That's like, it's kind of, it's on the edge of not being cool.
Don't see any trees starting to fold over yet.
No. I think it's gonna go east. I'm hoping.
That's what's coming. That's all the rain and the hail coming in with it.
I think we're gonna get lucky and get tonight.
I don't know if that rotation is awesome. I got like 4.5 minutes of video. Yeah.
You're being so slow.
Look at that. It's starting to drag right there.
Oh my god.
What?
Raindrop hit right on my neck.
I think it's interesting. I think it's interesting. The boys are well, what?
I'll ask.
Yeah, those clouds are going the opposite way.
Yeah, we got a big funnel right here.
And all those other little clouds keep getting sucked into it.
I guess we could still see a little tail from back here.
Same.
It's the same, but it's
I
just
guess your daughter's driving up here, and Ashley said don't
Why?
Because they're going shopping.
Oh.
And Asher said don't, and she said I'm sure it's fine or something. I said, you should see. They said that. I'm just taking a picture.
I got that Storm Chaser app. Devin sent me. It's kind of cool.
They posted this. And it was showing the rotation right here by Greenwood. Take a picture. I guess it's.
Oh, there's a tornado warning.
It's cold downstairs. Oh, we're still watching the
This
same
is-
thing?
no, this is the second
one,
rotation
okay.
right now.
Because they just came in with another warning, extended warning. So, oh my gosh. I don't know how many more stories I can come up with for the kids about how good God is and how we'll get through this. And,
They do seem very concerned, poor thing.
well,
Watch a lot of TV.
And Ron Martin's called me twice, and Dad's
They watch a
called
lot
me
of
Your dad
TV.
called-
The bad,
Scotch called
you know.
me. Wow, that is some serious updraft. Look at that.
twice. Yeah.
Well, that's what I saw down there, too.
And then watch this coming back down.
So, should I go check on the dogs? I know they're.
No, they're
Well,
fine.
I wanted to
I'll go check on them.
there are. Honey, I don't know. Maybe I ought to stand here just a minute.
Whoa, check that out.
They're in the house.
They're in the.
Rachel.
So this
Whoa,
side.
look
yep,
at that.
is
What's
coming
going
down,
on?
and
You
that
don't need
side's
out there
going up.
where you can't get
There we
in.
go. Look at this.
All right, we
coming
gotta
in.
go. I gotta
It's
go.
pulling
All right,
stuff
love you.
into it.
Bye. What is that?
That does go
More
down. It's
rotation?
gonna be a
See,
big
like-
one.
Those are going
Yeah,
north.
they're like going against each other.
I'm surprised Asher came out here to look.
I told him to. I told him
How's Keenan doing?
he seems fine. Wow. You can see like the rotation right there. Look at all that above us. Look straight up.
Learning how to play an organ earlier.
Huh? He's locked to it.
I told him to watch Matt.
Look how still it's getting right here.
He's sleeping. Yeah, it is. It's like this one's this way. Is that hail?
He said he can see good from our driveway. He went up there.
But
now since I'm in it, it sounds calm, and I just like feel calm now.
Well, okay, that's good.
Oh, look at this one. It's like cooling me off.
Here, everybody stand right here, ready? Behind, ready, one. Stand over here, you want your picture taken? Keenan, ready? One, two.
After blue, yeah.
As in both heads.
Yeah.
This is how people get hit by tornadoes. There we look at that rain. That's awesome. Bam. That's not funny to joke about. is it?
Well, and Ethel's got photos.
Good thing we're not in Kansas.
That's kind of.
Here's a little bit. No. You got pictures of this?
Yes.
It won't let me. I got a little battery.
Oh, Travis. Get the touch.
It's in my pocket.
You have one of those pocket chargers. I'm gonna grab it.
I might need it.
Plugging this one in somewhere, but it wouldn't charge.
I guess we're not too worried about this. Well, Jane did.
Oh, she did.
I was gonna grab one out of the fridge, but I only had one, so I figured I'd
Whoa.
I don't like that.
Not that I know of.
Oh my God, that is.
You
a
can see it
tornado.
rotating.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's developing rotation right there. It looks like it's right over us, doesn't it?
Is there a tornado today?
Yeah.
Can I have a shirt like that? I can't? Come on.
Braxton, where's your watermelon?
Right here.
Is it good?
Yeah. Can I please? Please. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's still going.
Listen. I wonder how long it'll last.
That is pretty damn cool.
Well, last year Brett popped it in like 5 minutes of playing with it.
Well, I could see that.
It landed on a post somewhere. Keep it out in the middle though.
Awesome how long it floats.
Look.
Two, somebody, you're all right. Just play.
You better get out in the middle.
You're gonna have to play rough to play, okay?
It's not gonna last
It's a
long
bunch
over
of
there.
boys.
Oh god.
Hey, it's a bunch of boys that are all.
It might be over. You gotta get one in anyway.
Every seat is completely filled with some sort of. There it went.
Okay, go.